So good morning, everyone, and welcome to the ICRA workshop, How Do Robots Care? Innovative Strategies and Interfaces for Physically Assistive Robots in Healthcare. So I'm Marta Lagomarsino, and I'm a postdoctoral researcher at the Human Robot Interfaces and Interaction Lab at the Italian Institute of Technology in Genova, Italy. This workshop has been jointly organized by Marta Lorenzini, that is following us online, Sebastian Jorn, again from the Italian Institute of Technology, that also following us online, Professor Won-Soo Kim from the Hanyang University in Korea, Professor Juan Manuel Gandarias from the Universidad de Málaga in Spain, that is following us online, and Professor Luis Figueredo from the University of Nottingham in the UK, and Professor Madita Vacoli from the University of Alberta in the US. So we are honored and deeply grateful to have the financial support provided by our sponsor, namely the Technical Committee for Cognitive Robotics and Rehabilitation, and the Technical Committee for Rehabilitation and Assistive Robotics, and the general support from the International Consortium for Rehabilitation Robotics. So this workshop will focus on cutting-edge advancement in robotics and artificial intelligence to enable robots to physically assist humans through physical human-robot interaction. This interaction presents new challenges, and we try to summarize them considering like a kind of clusters of physical assistive robots. So personal care robots that assist personal activity of daily living, such as dressing, washing, and feeding. Service robots capable of manipulating objects, cooperating with humans in tasks such as mobilization, rehabilitation therapies, and physical support robots that provide partial body support and help humans in walking, sitting, and standing. So we are honored to welcome a distinguished panel of speakers that will give us their insights into three main fields, namely modeling and assessment, human physical and cognitive load, cognitive state in general, designing adaptable and reconfigurable assistive hardware, and advancing methods that allow robots to learn and adapt their interaction to human needs. Among the submission, among the many submissions actually, we selected and accepted 21 extended abstracts and 9 videos. We had 15 original contributions from 10 different countries. We had also different seniorities of the co-authors. We will present 3 awards: the Best Paper Award, Best Student Paper Award, sponsored by the Technical Committee of Rehabilitation and Assistive Robotics, the Best Paper and Best Video from the Technical Committee for Cognitive Robotics. So let me walk you through the schedule of today's workshop. We'll start with the presentation of Sacha Wisniewski and Patricia Rosen. Then this will be followed by the presentation of Seong-Gun Wang. Next, we will have a brief presentation of our sponsors. And after that, before the morning coffee break, we will have the spotlight presentation of the extended abstract and the poster session. Finally, at the end of the morning, we will have the talk of Professor Annalisa Trejos and Professor Ji-Yoon Ryu. Sorry for the pronunciation of all the names. In the afternoon, we will shift toward the presentation of our industrial speakers. So we will have first the presentation of a startup called Robility, and then the presentation from Alona Karchenko, co-founder and CTO of the company Devantro. After that, we will have a series of short presentation again from the author of the accepted abstract. And after the afternoon coffee break, we'll have the second poster session, and we conclude the event with the presentation of Thabo pHRI, and the panel discussion, and finally the award ceremony.